Hey, what's up guys, it's me Con TV here, just here to make a quick video on the topic of death in Chainsaw Man. I don't mean to extend this video like to 10 minutes, 15 minutes or so. I just want to be straight to the point and get the actual point across. Okay. The topic that we're gonna discuss today is death in Chainsaw Man. Not in a philosophical way, but actually about how death works in Chainsaw Man, because ever since the chapter where we see Power and Aki die, there's always a question that's, surfaced in Chainsaw Man's fandom, is that will Power and Aki come back? Will they be revived? And if so, how is that gonna work? This is a question that's even bugged me many times, since the chapter when we saw Aki and Power die. So I thought, why not make a video on this topic? I did some research and I was like, let's settle this once and for all. Let's make this shit clear, right? So I wanted to know what's gonna happen to Power, Aki, and all those hybrid that we saw like Quan Chi, Reese at the ending of part 1. And what's the future of Chainsaw Man gonna be like in part 2? Are we gonna see Power, Aki, Reese, Quan Chi, Katana Devil, and all those, crazy characters again? Is that gonna happen? So first of all, the author of Chainsaw Man, Fujimoto, let's just make this clear that he can do anything. He's a kind of an author that can make the impossible happen in this manga. So if I am wrong on this subject, it's pretty much expected. But with all the information that we have gathered, like in the 97 chapters of Chainsaw Man part 1, with those information, this is what we know about Aki and Power's revival. So let's start off with death in Chainsaw Man. So there are 3 types of death that you should be aware of in Chainsaw Man, and that's the human death, the hybrid death, and the devil death. So the human death is pretty straightforward. It's like a human dies, he either goes to heaven or hell, and you cannot revive him. Like with all the information we have, you cannot revive a human unless you pray to the devil himself, which is Satan or Lucifer, I guess. I don't think you're gonna get a human back. But when it comes to hybrids like Aki and Denji, what are we gonna do for them? So we saw Aki die against Denji. We know that he's dead because Makima did not revive him at the end with Quan Chi and Reese, Katana Devil, and all those guys in the final fight with Denji. So we know that he is dead. Now, how do you get a hybrid back? Note that we want Aki back, not the Gun Devil. So we cannot just go to hell and kill the Gun Devil so he reincarnates to the real world or something. We have to get Aki back. So how is this gonna work? So back in the first chapter when Denji died, a devil took place of Denji's heart, making him a hybrid and giving him an extra life, right? So if things go similarly here, what if the Gun Devil becomes Aki's heart or something like that? Not just Gun Devil, but any devil becomes Aki's heart. It is very unlikely, but that's one way of getting Aki back, like from the dead. Other than that, I don't see Aki coming back. If it's not a hybrid form, Aki has to be a hybrid now. Because if he's gonna die like this, we don't even know how Aki became a hybrid with Gun Devil basically. We know that it's Makima's doing, and we don't know if the Gun Devil is already, Aki's heart or something like that. But for Aki to come back, he has to be a hybrid. And that's the only way he's gonna come back, because as a hybrid, when you're killed, you don't die usually. But if you die, the devil that's part of the hybrid goes to hell, but the person that's part of the devil in the hybrid form does not. So he is dead either way. That is what I am guessing from what we have here. Also, there is another option for Aki, and that is Angel Devil. So Angel Devil was not interested in living, as we saw in the manga, that he was like, what's the point in living? He was very lazy, he didn't want to live at all, because whatever he did, he just got sadness, and death to the people he knew. So what if the angel devil becomes Aki's heart. This will be a big, character development point for Angel Devil, because he just brought death to people, but for the first time he got Aki his life back. And there was a great attachment with Angel Devil and Aki. They even got their own volume cover spread and all. So I think that would make sense. That would definitely make sense. And other than that, I don't think Aki is coming back. If Aki is coming back, that's the only way, the hybrid way. That's the only way Aki is gonna come back. But other than that, the human way of dying, the hybrid way of dying, the third way of dying is the devil. So we got a clear example for this in the last chapter. When Makima was killed by the Chainsaw Devil, Makima reincarnated in China, right? And she came back as a younger self. She did not know anything about her past life, because it's a reincarnation. You don't usually have the memories of your past life. But for that case, there are two possibilities that's gonna happen to you if you die as a devil. One is that you die as a devil and respawn in hell, but nobody kills you, so you stay in hell. It's either you kill the others or they don't kill you at all. So you're gonna stay in hell either way. But if the other devils want to take revenge against you, like the Darkness Devil wanted to take revenge against Makima, I mean, that's not confirmed, but something like that. If something like that happens, then yeah, you're gonna get killed in hell again, and then you're gonna respawn on Earth. That is what happened with Makima. So Makima doesn't have any memories back, so she's back. I don't know why she is back and why don't we get power back. But it is what it is. So in the last few chapters, we saw Power go to Denji and tell Denji that, I am still in hell. You can come for me and get me, make Control Devil your friend or something like that. So what I'm guessing is that Power, who was a Blood Devil, I don't think Power is gonna have her memories back like Makima right now. Like Makima has become Nayuta. I think Power is gonna have another name, and she's gonna be respawned on Earth because Denji goes to hell and kills her there or something like that. So Power will lose her memories. Power will have a new name. It's a new character design too. So basically we'll have Power and Makima again in the second part, but with new character models. Like Makima became Nayuta, Power will become, I don't know, the president or something. Something like that. But with Aki, he either has to come out as a hybrid of Angel Devil or, the Gun Devil or someone like that. So it's a bit tricky for Aki. But for Power and Makima, yeah, Power is dead. Power won't come back. Her memories are gone. Everything is gone. It's just the Blood Devil. So Power is dead. But she is back as a new character. But we know it is her. So she will have some of the characteristics she had as Power, but as a new character. So it's like 50-50. She is dead, but she isn't dead. Same with Makima. With Aki, I think Aki will not come back, if you ask me, because Himeno died, Aki followed, and if what I think is that Hirofumi Yoshida, the guy with Octopus Devil, he is going to take place of Aki probably, and that's how we'll continue the story in Chainsaw Man 2. But it'll be really cool if we see Aki back, because I'm a big Aki fanboy and all. So seeing Aki, Power, Makima back with their new bodies, that will be amazing. But another question that's been bugging me: what about Reese? What about Kwanzi? What about the Katana Devil? What about them? Like, are they dead? Are they not? So the answer to that is simple. When Makima killed Kwanzi and killed Reese, killed the Katana Man, whenever someone loses against Makima, they become Makima's subordinates. So basically, Reese, Kwanzi, Katana Devil and everyone lost against Makima, becoming their subordinate. So that's how they ended up on her fingertips. So I think they're still alive. They're not dead, because We didn't get any confirmation anywhere at the end that they are dead or something. We just saw that, Denji ripped them apart, and I don't think they're gonna die by that. But if that's the case, then yeah, we're gonna see them all again in Chainsaw Man Part 2. I hope you guys got what I said, because this video was very blank. I don't even know what I'm talking about myself. It's just we have this information and we have to figure it out ourselves. So the answer to the question, will Aki, Power and all the hybrids come back in Chainsaw Man 2 is yes, they will. If the author was not Fujimoto, because Fujimoto can do anything, and I wouldn't be surprised if he just ends everything there. So we're gonna have a hell arc or something like that in part 2. One of the editors for Chainsaw Man told that the second part of Chainsaw Man is gonna be a school arc, so I don't know how they're gonna connect school to hell, to get Power back, but it's gonna happen and it's gonna be hype. So can't wait for it. It's already been almost a month since part 1 ended, but can't wait for part 2, and let me know what you guys think. So see ya in the next video or something. Bye bye.